All right, here we have a 100 horsepower vertical hollow shaft. I'm going to show you guys how to test it. So we're going on our high pot. We're going to go twice working voltage plus 1,000. So it's a 460 volt motor. So we're going to go up to about 2,000 volts. See voltage right here. Press our DC high pot. Blue represents electric current that is being contained in the winding. Red, if it were to spike at all, indicates leakage to ground. So after the DC high pot, we go to the surge test. The red line indicates phase 1. We're currently doing phase 2. We'll spin it so it lines up and we get a good test. Then we'll move to phase 3. And once all phases line up, we know we have a good test. Perfect. So after a good test, we're going to run it up. Start spinning, get past that reverse ratchet. Got up to voltage, ran good. It's coasting down now. Once at a slow enough RPM, those ball bearings will be engaged on that reverse ratchet, and it will sound like a giant maraca.